While the Redmi Note series might be very popular in markets like India, the number series from Redmi is not less popular. So far we have seen 8 generations of the number series from Redmi and soon the Redmi 9 series is launching. Now this time there are at least 3 phones in this series named Redmi 9A, Redmi 9C and the Redmi 9, among which the Redmi 9A is the cheapest and the Redmi 9 is the most expensive. Today the full specifications of these 3 phones were shared by a user named Shudhanshu on Twitter. So in this video let us talk about the Redmi 9 series, its leaked specifications and the expected pricing. Starting with the Redmi 9A, as mentioned before, it is the cheapest among the 3. It comes with a 6.53-inch HD Plus display and MediaTek Helio G25 SoC. This is actually the first time we are hearing about any such chipset from MediaTek, so the Redmi 9A could be the first smartphone to launch with the Helio G25. As the name shows, it is the chipset under the Helio G series, and in case you don't know, the G stands for gaming. Obviously, it won't be as powerful as let's say the Helio G80 or the Helio G90, but still, considering that the Redmi 9A is going to be an entry-level phone, the performance is definitely going to be great for the price. Other specifications include 3GB RAM, 32GB storage, a 5000 mAh battery, a 13MP camera on the rear and a 5MP camera on the front. Despite the fact that it is going to be an entry-level phone, it has a USB Type-C port as well as an IR blaster, so that is nice. Then we have the Redmi 9C, and actually this phone has 2 variants, one with NFC and the other without NFC. As we know, in India Redmi launches phones without NFC support, so the variant without NFC is for such markets. Most of the specifications of the 2 variants are the same, like a 6.53-inch HD Plus LCD screen, MediaTek Helio G35 SoC, 3GB RAM, 64GB storage, a 5000 mAh battery and a 5MP selfie camera. The only difference is in the rear cameras. The Redmi 9A without NFC has triple rear cameras, whereas the one with NFC has dual rear cameras. Finally, there is the Redmi 9, which is the most feature-packed as well as the most expensive among the 3. It has a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD panel. There is MediaTek Helio G70 chipset, 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. The quad camera setup on the back includes a primary 13MP camera paired with an 8MP ultra-wide camera, a 5MP macro and a 2MP depth sensor. Just like other 2 phones, the Redmi 9 comes with a 5000 mAh battery and a USB Type-C port. Now if Redmi 9 launches in India, then it would compete with the Realme Narzo 10A because that phone also has the Helio G70 SoC and a 5000 mAh battery. Now, while we have the specifications of each phone, we don't know much about the design yet. A couple of months back, we did get a live image of the Redmi 9 that revealed a design similar to the Redmi Note 8 Pro from the rear. But other than that, we don't have any idea how the phones look like. Also, while the exact price is not yet known, we do know the price range for each device in the European market, and here it is. Now all these phones will be priced under €200 in Europe, and as we know, the European pricing is generally higher than the pricing in rest of the markets. So expect the phones to launch in markets like India under Rs 10,000. What do you think of the Redmi 9 series? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.